Hello and welcome to today's GFG problem of the day. Hope you all are doing well. So let's see what the problem is. So we will be given two numbers m and n. Okay, and what we want to find is we want to find us the sequence such that the maximum number in the sequence, right? Such that the maximum number in the sequence will be 10 and less than or equal to 10 basically, and the sequence size should be 4. Okay, and what the condition given is this the next number, for example, right, if we consider this as a sequence, right, 1 4 1 2 4 8, right, the next number in the sequence, right, should be greater than or equal to the current number in the sequence, right? So if you see 2 is greater than or equal to, so the next number in the sequence should be 2 into the current number, right? 2 into greater than or equal to double the current number, right? So if you see, so 2 is greater than, right, 2 into 1, right? If you see here 4 is greater, 4 is what? The next number in the sequence. It is greater than or equal to 2 into 2, double the current number. 2 into 4. This is double the current number, right? Similarly, if you see in the sequence 1 to 4, 9, here 9, right? It is greater than, right? It is greater than 2 into sequence, right? 2 into current number, right? 2 into sequence of I, right? 2 into 4. It is greater than that. So it should be, the condition given is here. The next number in the sequence should be greater than equal to 2 into the current number, right? So we want to find the all the possible such sequences, right? So for this case, the possible number of sequences are 4. Okay, okay. So I hope you have got the problem. Now, how will it solve this problem, right? So if you see here, right? So 10 is included in some sequences, and some sequences 10 is not included, right? So what we'll do is we'll go into reverse way, right? If m is 10, right? So what we'll do, we in one branch, in one call, we'll include this number, right? And go in the reverse way. We'll divide the number 5, right? And then what, divided by 2, right? Again 2, right? We'll go in this manner in one branch, right? There'll be two calls, recursion calls, right? In one call we will include this number, and in another call we won't include this number, we will decrement the number, right? We'll decrement the number and we'll go according to the sequences, right? Okay, in this way. So let's quickly see the code. So here is a code, right? So see the base condition is what? M, if m is less than equal to n, right, then we are returning 0. So definitely, like, if m itself is smaller than n, so the sequence is not possible, right? The sequence is not possible, so we'll simply return 0. The sequence is not possible, right? And if n equal to 0, that means we have reached, right, as we are going to go in the reverse order, we have reached, we have found our sequence, right? We have found our sequence. Okay, so we'll return 1 here. So here if you see, right, here if you see we are making two calls here, right? So the one of the call is simply we are dividing m. If m was 10, right, so we are dividing m, right? We are finding the next number of the sequence, and we are also decrementing, right? From, if n is equal to 4, we are sending, we are what, we are having 3, right? We are decrementing n. In another call, what we are doing, we are not including that number, right? And we are also not decrementing, because decrementing n, because we are not considering the current m, right, as we are decrementing m, right? So we are finding another possible sequence, right? So in this way we'll be able to find the number of sequences. Now if you see, right, what we are doing here is we are decrementing n, right? N is equal to 4, and we want to have sequence of length n, right? So here, that is why the condition n equal to 0, that means we have safely found one of our sequences, will return 1, right? So when we find, for example, 1, and then whatever number here will come, right? So in this way, we'll be able to find our number of sequences. Okay, so the Java and C++ code is same, definitely, there's no change. So I hope you have got the solution. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Have a happy, healthy, and a great day. Thank you so much.